Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a quick review of my brand new Rolex Explorer reference number 214270. I've had it about a month and I thought it was about time I introduced the watch to you guys. Alright guys, there she is. Rolex Explorer reference 214270. Well, let's go ahead and unbox this beautiful new watch. Here's the outer white box. We got the beautiful familiar Rolex outer case, the nice crown here, real nice. So let's go ahead and remove that. We have the familiar beautiful green inner box. All right, here we go. So we will remove these two for now, put them over to the side there. And first off, let's tilt this up a little bit. You can see that beautiful black dial. Wow. See that polished bezel, fixed bezel. Beautiful polished sides of the watch here. Awesome. And you have a beautiful satin brushed stainless steel bracelet. The iconic oyster bracelet. Real nice. Alright, so we'll get back to this one later. So let's put it right there. I want to show you guys some of the other things that come with the Explorer. So we open this little flap. So right here we have the warranty booklet. Show you a little bit of that. So not bad. So you got the warranty booklet. All right, you have the warranty card in there. Has all the information on the back where I purchased the watch, and obviously has my name, and I have my thumb over the serial number. So you got that as well. So put that aside. And then you have your Oyster Perpetual Explorer booklet. Tells you all about the Explorer. Real nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, so let's put that aside. That is the information that comes with the Explorer 2. So now let's take the Explorer 2 off of the cushion here. So you have the Oyster Steel 904L case. I think it's thick enough. I mean, it is thick enough that it still allows for the case of the watch to slide under a cuff. It is a 39mm case. Now then you have this beautiful oyster bracelet, which is equipped with a oyster lock folding clasp. All right, here we go. Here's the clasp mechanism here. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Now this particular Explorer comes with the new movement, the new upgraded 3132 movement, self-winding mechanical movement, entirely developed and manufactured by Rolex. It features a Parashine hairspring and a Paraflex shock absorbers as well. So I'll let you guys look. Obviously I can't let you see the movement, but there's a beautiful shot of the case back. Hopefully that is focusing and you guys can see that. Give you also another beautiful shot of the inner bracelet as well. Real nice. Really, really nice. I'm really happy with it. Give you another close look at that smooth bezel. High polished, smooth bezel. So my whole dilemma is do I keep it or is it a catch and release? As I mentioned earlier in the video, I've owned it a month and I haven't worn it yet. The stickers were removed by the authorized dealer I purchased it from. That's something that they do now, which I'm okay with that. I don't have a problem with that. But I haven't sized it, haven't worn it. It's just been sitting in the safe since I've purchased it. So what do you guys think? You like it? Is it a thumbs up? Or is it a catch and release? Should I keep it or is it a catch and release? Again, 39 millimeter case. I think it's the ideal size. I mean, you can dress this thing up. You can dress it down. I think in my opinion, it's a sports model watch. It's part of the sports model lineup for Rolex. But with that smooth, high polished bezel, it dresses it up a little bit. But I think you bring it back down to an everyday wearer just because you have that beautiful black dial with the simplistic indices. You have the 3, the 6, and the 9 markers. And you know, if I had if I could do a lume shot, you'd see it has blue lume, brilliant blue lume, which is really nice. Guys, I'm not an expert on Rolex. I know there are a lot of watch reviewers out there that are, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at it. Let me know what you think. If it's something that you think I should keep or if I should, like I said, catch and release. I haven't made my mind up yet, but it is beautiful. So give me your thoughts. I appreciate you guys taking a few minutes out to take a look at the new. Let me let you guys look at the crown here. Hopefully I can get a good shot on that. There you go. Perfect. And I guess I'll do a little wrist shot for you. There's your wrist shot. So hopefully that is focusing in. But beautiful, wears well. See how it is on the wrist there, even though I haven't sized it. You can kind of get a good understanding of how it wears. Okay, there's another quick. Hopefully that's focusing. There we go. All right, so let's take her off. It's hard to come by these sport model watches now that, you know, there's just very, very, very few of them out there. And I got a good relationship with an authorized dealer who had one, and I went and picked it up. All right, guys, that's the brand new Rolex Explorer. Drop me some comments in the comment box to let me know if you think it's a catch and release or if I should keep it for a while. As always, guys, I appreciate you stopping by the channel and spending a few minutes with me today, allowing me to show you guys the Rolex Explorer. If you like the Rolex Explorer and you like the video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing and share the video. As always, guys, keep chasing greatness, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.